Hi guys, welcome back to my another blog. We to see a beautiful station of Bijnor. This is the evening view. You can see this is wonderful, very greeny and looking so beautiful. And this is a night view of the station. It's wonderful, amazing. Bijnor. This is very beautiful, and we come now at to wait train, and train has been come. We started journey to home, and we have reached my home. Thank you so much to watch my blog. Please subscribe and like my blog if you like. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep supporting me. Thank you.